How to fix Hyper-V audio not working in Windows. 1. Run playing audio troubleshooter. 2. Restart Windows Audio Service. 3. Configure remote desktop settings. To do so, enable play on this computer. 4. Run Hyper-V Manager as an admin. 5. Update audio drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide.